Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on TradeWheel. First of all, you need an account to buy Bitcoin. You can buy it on your demo account or a real account, but you need an account. And if you don't have an account yet, please click on the link in my description where you can create yourselves a 100% free account. And when you did that, you also support the channel. So please do that. And then after that, maybe you already have an account, so then it's not important. Then we go right here to the chart. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, we go right here to the search bar and search for BTC. Then you will see right here the Bitcoin to USDT chart. And then right now what we're going to do is select right here buy. Then we fill in right here for how much lots we want to buy it. So let's do 0.05. Then we can create right here a take profit or a stop loss. And then the only thing that we need to do right now is click right here on buy. Then we click on confirm and there it is. Our position on Bitcoin USDT with a buy position 0.05 volume. This is the price, this is the current price. And here is a little fee. And then you can find right here your profit and loss. So this is how you can buy yourselves Bitcoin right here on TradeWheel. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.